You know what? I'm actually very impressed by the stability of the crypto markets right now. This is really impressive. And also Ethereum. It's quite resilient to all of the news going on, all the chaos going on. Ethereum sitting at 2.2K, despite everything happening. It's not looking too bad. Now, before we start this video, I met an absolute legend over the weekend. I had a little hello, sort of shake hands and let's get a selfie together with the OG, the GOAT, Michael Saylor. So yeah, there's a little picture of us from Bitcoin Prague. That was absolutely insane scenes to see. And yeah, guys, just want to say thanks for checking in on this content. If you're new here, please subscribe. It goes a very, very long way. And yeah, let's just talk about overall the market. We're at $3.11 trillion market capital. Yes, we've had a bad week, but really, when you zoom out, you can still see these markets aren't ever so strong. So just hoping that, we'll always remain bullish. We'll always remain, on a good trajectory and logarithmically. Hopefully we're just going to keep on climbing out here. So 2.25K Ethereum right now. On the week, we're down 14%. On the day, we are down 0.25%. On the month, we're down 12%. So quite battering on the month, but still nothing as bad as what I thought would happen. We can see Bitcoin has slipped away here from rank 6, surpassed again by silver and also Google. But, I think, this market is rocky. It's volatile. It's reactive sometimes, and we can't control everything. We do have a neutral market environment. So even though everything has happened, I actually thought we'd have a way worse market environment. To see Bitcoin sit where it is and Ethereum sit where it is right now, not too bad. Now, we do have a critical POI, which is point of interest. And what's happened is Ethereum has been trading in this beautiful ascending triangle, but recently got wiped out. And it probably was because of the news. We had all of the bad news and the war stuff happen a few days ago. And since then, it's just completely lost trajectory. And the trajectory was bullish. We were actually aiming higher. We were sitting at 2.5K and we were potentially going to move up to 2.8K. And I think the trajectory to 2.8K is still on plan for us, but we just had the Black Swan event news wipe this away. So this could be an opportunity maybe to get a lower ETH cost. But then I do also factor in that Ethereum was just 1.5K only 2 months ago. I did dollar cost average a lot of Ethereum down at that price. You can check out my Discord, which is free to join down below, because you would have also caught the Ethereum dip. So if we just quickly check for Ethereum, there might be a post here somewhere. I can't actually see it right now. But anyway, I would have dropped this for sure. Let's just check very quick, because I want to show you guys that you can make some massive, massive wins, right? You can make some massive wins. Anyways, just get yourself in my Discord, guys. If you like money, if you want to make more money, instead of just making a couple dollars per day, $50, $100, $150 per day, have a look at my Discord, have a look at my Patreon. It's all down below. We've had people make thousands of dollars every single week extra on top of what they're doing. So do have a look. We've tailored everything as best as we possibly can. Now, going back to the price structure, looking at the RSI, we were obviously really overbought around May 2025, which is where the price came up to 2.7K. Now, on the weekly time frame, this is where I'm quite impressed, because we went from oversold almost up to about 50 on the RSI. We've dropped back down a bit. If Ethereum takes a turn and comes back up to 70 RSI, we could be looking at a $3,000-$4,000 Ethereum. So the bullish scenario is always good, but there is that slight risk that we could still lose $2,000 because of the war and everything that's going on. Now, where there seems to be an incredible amount of course, support is about 2.2K. It's where we are now. If you look back in time, you can see that we caught these dips over and over and over again. But if we do lose this support again, guys, I do fear that we might fall short of 2.1, come down lower, and hit like 1.8, which would be a really nice DCA opportunity for me. It's where I might even potentially grab more Ethereum. I would be bullish to grab more Ethereum down at these levels. And, when we look at our Fibonacci structure, we check here, we fall back down to about 0.786 Fib, and then we bounce back up. That's just an if. We don't know if that will happen yet. We still don't know what's going to happen in this market because, crypto is digital gold in some sense. And a lot of people are now selecting their cryptocurrency over things like tangible, physical, precious metal gold. So yeah, overall bullish, really, really bullish. You can also see if we just look very quickly, this is our trend wave indicator. It did actually signal a short position. So if you've been using Trendwave, which is our new freshly built indicator suite, Tradewave, as you can see right here, just $27 a month, you can get hold of this. Well, guess what, guys? It signaled a short position over here at 2.7K. And what ended up happening is we've closed the short for a 22% profit, a massive, massive profit. Made some brilliant money on this particular play. And you can also ask about the Trendwave indicator in my Discord, which is free to join, ladies and gents. So do have a little look. You might love it. And you can see a lot of people are making big gains from also using the Trendwave indicator right here. So have a little look, see what you all think of it. And yeah, at the moment, the market is a bit rocky, but it's hard to say what's going to happen. I think if you're using the right tools, if you're in the right places, you're in the right communities, the right groups, you can still grow nicely in this market. And yeah, $3.12 trillion market capital for the blockchain environment. Give us a subscribe because, we are trying our best to go places. We want to hit 60K and I need you guys to hit that subscribe button, like the video and comment to help me get there. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon. Bye for now and have a wonderful day. Peace.